Section 4.2 Arc length, area of a sector. Arc length. If theta is a central angle in a circle of radius r, then the length of the intercepted arc s is given by s is equal to r times theta, where theta is always in radians, where theta is measured in radians. Find the length of the intercepted arc in a circle with a central angle measure of pi/3 and a radius of 4 inches, round to the nearest tenth. We have arc length, which is s, is equal to r times theta. So s is equal to 4 times pi/3. We have the radius times the angle in radians. We have 4 times pi divided by 3, which is 4.189. 4.189 inches. Given a circle with radius of 10 meters, find the length of the arc intercepted by an angle of 30 degrees. We have arc length is equal to 10 times, we have 30 pi over 180. We have to change the 30 degrees into a radian measurement. You can do that the long way. You can have 30 over radian is equal to 180 degrees over pi radians. And then when you cross multiply, you get 180r equals 30 pi. When you divide by 180, you get the 30 pi over 180. So now we need 10 times, we have 30 pi divided by, well, I need the 30 pi divided by 180. Enter. 5.236. So the arc length is 5.236, and that is meters. A central angle theta in a circle of radius 4 is subtended by the arc of length 6 meters. Find the measure of theta in radians. We have arc length is equal to r theta. So it says a central angle theta in a circle of radius 4. So we know the radius now is 4. And we know the arc length is 6. So theta is equal to 6/4, which is 3/2. And theta is always in radians, so this is 3/2 radians, or 1.5 radians. Same thing. Given a circle with a radius of 5 inches, find the length of the arc intercepted by an angle of 3 radians. So we have arc length is equal to r times theta. It says given a circle with a radius of 5, so now we know the radius is 5, find the length of the arc intercepted by an angle of 3 radians. Well, that's what theta is supposed to be in, 3 radians. So the length is 15 inches. Area of a sector. The area A of a sector of a circle with radius r and central angle theta is A equals 1/2 r squared theta. And this is like finding the area of a piece of pizza, where theta is measured in radians. Find the area of a sector with central angle 3 radians in a circle of radius 12 meters. Well, the area is equal to 1/2 r squared theta, which in this case is equal to 1/2 times the radius, which is 12, and then times 3 radians, so times 3. We have 6 times 3, which is 18 meters squared. A sector of a circle of radius 22 meters has an area of 310 square meters. Find the central angle of the sector. So we have area is equal to 1/2 r squared theta, and they tell us the area is 310. We have 1/2, and the radius is 22. So let's take 310, and we will divide it by 0.5 times 22 squared. And that's equal to 1.281 radians. So we have theta is equal to 1.281 radians.